Hey guys, I'm whispering because my mama doesn't know we're in here. And my sister's gonna drink a raw egg. It's gonna be really cool. Drink it up. And you have to swallow. Drink, 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 drink. Swallow. Swallow. You have to swallow. It's a challenge. Swallow. You have to swallow. Swallow or spit it back in the cup and drink it again. If I was you, I'd spit it back in the cup and drink it again. Swallow. Swallow it. You chewed it. Swallow it, go on. Don't. Go over there and eat that egg. Come on. Don't make any noise. Stop making noise. You can't. You'll go home, dude. You can't hear you vomiting. Tastes horrible. You have to get your butt in there, dude. Make sure you don't spit it out in the commode. You have to. Oh, you knew that, Kate. There's not enough. There's not enough egg in there now.
Yeah, that's enough.
I know it tastes horrible. Tastes unicorn poop, and it tastes very sweet. We're not in the bathroom. Because again. And this is her reaction. God, just hold your nose into it. You have to. Oh God. You can't even do it in 3 minutes and joke it's in 3 minutes. It's take you this long. Swallow. You spilled it again. Hurry up, hurry up. That's the one about the vomit. I heard that go. Don't vomit. Don't vomit. Get over the vomit. I want to see a vomiting happen here. Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it. You with it. Why am I vomiting? I'm not the one who's doing it. You still have a little more left. Was that good? No. You still have a little more left. Shh. Are you okay?
No. Oh, I can't do it anymore.
Here, just take one sip.
I can't.
Just take one sip.
I can't.
One sip.
I can't.
Well, she is disqualified.
Oh my god. I'm still recording.
Yeah.
Oh.
Drink the
I
egg.
can't. I can't.
Drink the
I
egg.
can't.
You're still falling. You ready to go in there?
What?
You ready to go in there?
Yeah, I'm done.
I'm waiting till you get done vomiting.
I am. I'm done. Crap, man.
And that's like her face after.
Oh, no, don't ever do it. Ugh. Oh.
Tastes good?
Yeah,
what
yeah,
tastes like?
it tasted good.
What tastes like?
I don't know what it tastes like. Shoot, man.
I'll take it.
Alright, go take an egg and go try it.
No.
Shoot.
Well, bye. Throw up already.
What?
Throw up already.
I'm not gonna throw up.